Now I'm gonna smell it and I'm gonna put these. Hello, hello, hello. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like vanilla ice cream. Now let's take this out. Am I something is coming out? This is bad. You're being bad. Oh, did you guess? Now this is gonna be funny. Ah! Now let me see if I can get this one. Big pie. Put it here, I guess. I guess it's like this. Now, next one. Oh. Which one? Let's see. Which circle should I put it? Okay. Oh. Not bad. Not bad at all. I even taste this. Now I guess I gotta put it here, I guess. Yeah. That's so good. This one's gonna be for me. For me. This one's gonna be only for me. Because I don't know if you can see them, but they're gonna be so good. I guess here. No, go here. Go here. Okay, this is some big whoopie pies. I thought they were gonna be big like a pie. Now I know why they're not big. Cause there we go. Now next one. I'm just gonna put it right over here. I guess over here. Oh my god. This is so yummy. Drop on me. Will you taste this? This is good. These pies are gonna be so good. See, go here. Over. See, now let me go here. Taste this. There we go. I think I'm done. What you do? What you do? I think I put it here. Wait. Guys, I think I put it here. I think I put it right here. Now we're gonna bake. Bake. So, see you later. And I don't know how many minutes or hours or seconds. 5, 10 minutes? 10 minutes.